That's the area or the place where to go. And I think if it is good here, if on this side, so as the sun, the temperature here now is 79 Fahrenheit, not cold, not hot. It's good for walking. So now I'm start walking. Here we go. Is the uh, trail or the passage, walking passage here. It's really good. It is for a pedestrian, and it's connected all around on the main road, which then I will have to make a left turn. Then on the trail, I will show you. So this is the main road going to the trail. So this is the main road here. So this is the place where usually go walking. And today is Saturday. It's not so busy. The streets is not full of cars because it's Saturday. Here. So this is the trail on my left side also, and the other trail, walking trail here is on my right side, and the main road that I told you. So I have to pass here. Better to go on this right side because this is a shadow. It's full of trees. Whereas the other side, there's no trees, so it will be very hot. So it's on this side is good to walk. So I'm just waiting for the signal to go because I am going to cross the street.
Wait.
Waiting for the walking signal. This is the walk. Let's walk. Right time. Walk. Here. So all that it's stop because we are crossing the street. And there's the one other this guy is walking and this other guy is running and I'm walking. So until the end, I think it is 500 meters. Oh yes, because there's biking. They are biking on the side. Also, they're coming bike. So there's the place that. So I almost finished the first block, and there are a lot of some of them are running. I'm only just walking. So this is the stop. This is the one block that I made already. So I have to go back also, turn around to finish my. This is the place I always go for lotto, and am I walking also? I just drop by to buy some lotto numbers. Maybe it will win. Who knows? So good luck to me. Okay, I'm now going home. I stay for I think 30 minutes rest and make some lucky number just in case. Only God knows that he will pick the right number for today's draw. So now I'm going back, walking again on the street. You see? Yeah, you see me here, walking back. Walking again. It's side of the road. So I have to switch on the trail. So I could reach home. And now maybe my daughter Amor is already looking for me for a while already. So I'm here still walking. Yeah, I almost got here to have a shortcut to the trail. So this is the railroad, the Lambert Road, where cars are passing by, and this is the place, and this is the way that I have to join to the trail for walking, going back home. And it's have a shadow of the trees, so it's not very hot because of the wind, the atmosphere here. You can see here somebody's walking behind me. See? Okay, I'm almost there in the crossroad. So see you then. Bye-bye. So I almost here at my house. Yeah, it's almost 11 already. So this is maybe this is my last walking here. This tomorrow is Sunday. I go to church. On Monday, I have my flight going back here in the Philippines. Okay, what's